Pare? Oo, hindi ko only then. Hindi ko only.
In class B, I'm trying to create an object for class A with a default constructor. Is default constructor available in my program? No. That is the reason I'm getting an error. Are you understanding me, guys? If I want to resolve this, tell me what I need to do. Pass a parameter. Just let me try to pass the S value as Java, like that. Is it clear, guys? Now, if I execute my program, what is my output? Parameterized constructor, S value Java, and after that, method 1 called. Am I right or wrong? Let us execute. Right click, run as Java application. Parameterized constructor, S value Java, and method 1 called. Now, I don't want class B to access class A methods. Did you understand? I want to restrict accessing class A methods in class B. There is this access modifier private. What is the scope of private access modifier? Only within the class. Sir, simply declare that method as private, private. Then fine. I can restrict. No problem. Am I getting an error there? If there are 100 methods are there, all those 100 methods, I cannot declare them as private. Am I right or wrong? So what I'll be doing, instead of declaring a method as private, I will declare a constructor as private. Are you observing here, guys? So if I declare this constructor as private, class B cannot use that constructor to initialize the object. Without an object, how can you call a method? Now, tell me what is the use of private constructor. Tell me once again, like for example, in interview face a question, what is the use of private constructor? Tell me. What? Tell me. Instead of that, I'm asking what is the use, right? What is the use of private constructor means if we want to restrict accessing our class methods in other classes. Are you understanding me, guys? If you want to restrict accessing our class methods in other classes, make our class constructor as private. Yes or no, guys? If you are declaring your class constructor as private, no other classes can create an object of your class. If they are unable to create an object of your class, how can they access the methods which are present in your program? They cannot. Are you understanding me? For example, right now I am removing this from the comment. I am removing this from the comment. Line number 15. Line number 15. Guys, please observe. I am removing this from the comment. What is that? It is a default constructor. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Default constructor. Let me make this as public. Public. Guys, please observe. In class A, how many constructors are there? Come on. 2 constructors. First constructor is private constructor. Second one is public. Now, in class B, for example, dot method 1 like that. If I remove this line number 8 from the comment, am I going to get an error or not? No? Did you understand, guys? Yeah, I did not got any error. Why? Because this is not a private constructor. So, I will be able to access my method 1. So, if you want to restrict, guys, please listen. Please listen. If you want to restrict accessing your class methods in other classes, you need to make all your class constructors as private. Not one constructor, all the constructors. How many constructors present in your program? All those constructors should be declared as private. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Let us try to write that particular point also. Private constructors restrict creating object of our class in other classes. Private constructors restrict creating object of our class in other classes. Now, next point. Now, guys, answer my question correctly. Can we write a return type for a constructor? We cannot write. Can we write a return statement inside a constructor? Very good. Tell me. Again, once again I'm asking you. Can we write a, guys, you know that return type is different, return statement is different. Now my question is, can we write a return type for a constructor? Yes or no? Yes sir. No, we cannot write. Can we write a return statement inside a constructor? Okay, let me ask you. Can we write a return statement for a void method? Right, 10 times imposition. Come on, can we write a return statement inside a void method? No. Okay. Go Goa, gone. Reverse your books. Please go back to the topic Java method return type. Understanding Java method return type. Please go back. There we have written some key points. Java method return type. Give me anyone, girls, anyone wrote? Please give me the book once. Key points. In those key points, what is the third point? Tell me. Third point. If we want to write a return statement inside a void method, we can do that without returning any value. Now, so by this, what I understand is you are not opening the books. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, this I'll not accept. I'll not accept this. I'll do one thing. Next Saturday, question and answers. Interview point of view. I'm going to point and I'm going to ask next Saturday. You will not come next Saturday? Anyways, come. Okay? So what I'm trying to ask is, this entire week you are having time, try to please recap all the concepts which we are covering up to Friday, next week Friday. Saturday, next Saturday, we'll have a small mock interview kind of thing. Okay? I'll be why dull face here? In interview room, you need to answer. Am I right or wrong? So, I'm going to ask you some questions, most popular questions. So, please try to answer. Okay? Right. So, now, coming back. Tell me, inside a void method, can we write a return statement? Yes or no? We can write, but we should not return anything. Now tell me, can we write a return type for a constructor? Listen to the question correctly. Can we write a return type for a constructor? Can we write a return statement inside a constructor? Yes, we can write. Please check this. For example, this is a constructor. I'm just trying to write return, return. Am I getting any error there? No, I'm not getting any error. Okay, so just let me try to write that particular point also. We can, just like void method, methods, we can write return statements. Inside a constructor without returning anything. Just like void methods, we can write a return statement inside a constructor without returning anything. Okay? Online students, I hope it's clear, guys. August, you're asking, sir, online students does not have any mock test. Right. August, I understand, like, you're very eager to get that mock test. Here also, I'm not conducting any mock test, August. Okay. What I'll be doing, I'll try to ask the questions to the students, and online students, you are supposed to answer me through chat. Okay. I hope you're understanding me, buddy. Right? Please. Okay, guys, kindly please listen to me. In Java, there is this concept known as control statements. Control statements. What is the use of control statements? Control statements are used to control the flow of our program from one line to another line. If you want the same lines to be getting iterated, if you want to come out from your method, if you want to terminate your method, so return is a statement which is used to come out from the method, which is used to terminate the method. Whenever you are coming out from the method, or else whenever you are terminating the method, then with the help of return statement, you can bring whatever that method is returning. So return statement is not only used for returning a value, its main use is it is used to terminate the method. Actually, it is one of the jump statement. There are three types of jump statements are there: break, continue, return. Okay, so when we are dealing about those control statements, I'll let you know. Right now, guys, please check this. One last point, guys. Last point. That is constructor overloading is possible, but overriding is not possible. Constructor overloading is possible, overriding is not possible. So what is this overloading and overriding? We'll be trying to discuss that when we are dealing about polymorphism. You need to wait until that particular topic is covered. But as of now, kindly please note on this point: overloading and overriding. Is it clear, guys? Online students, I hope it's clear. Rajshekar, wait for it, Rajshekar. I will. Trust me, I will. Okay. See, you are asking point number 10. Why two access modifiers? Rajshekar, if the class, okay, you are asking me, for example, if we declare the class as private, compiler can use the same access modifier for a given class. Okay. Now, Rajshekar, do me a favor, buddy. Can you please, Rajshekar, read this point for me? Can you declare a class as private? Exactly. You need to wait until I cover that particular topic, buddy. Right? I just want to explain it once the session is complete, but fine. I hope your doubt is cleared. Right? Yeah. Very good. That is nice. So, these are very, very important key points which we are supposed to concentrate on constructors. So, just let me try to, guys, highlight some points. Yeah, constructor that is used to initialize the class object. Constructor should be same, its name should be having same name as class name. Okay, return type same name as class name, and return type should be same. That we have already covered. And after that, should not be having any return type. Yes, now this is important. We need to initialize the class object. Initialize the class object with the available constructors present in the class. And yes, for every Java program, compiler will be by default providing us with a default constructor. Okay? Yes. We can use all the 4 access modifiers here for the default constructor which is provided by the programmer. We can use all the 4 access modifiers. For the default constructor which is provided by the compiler, there is only option for 2 access modifiers, like that. Right? Now, Guys, do me a favor. Please have this program for me. Both the programs. Both the programs, please. Class A, please go ahead.